Hi, thanks for stopping by. Today, I'm gonna change the battery for the car key. You know, the car key sometimes stop working, and this is a Camry, Toyota Camry 2012. So I'm gonna show you how to open the key and change the battery inside. First of all, what we need is a quarter or a dime. I tried the quarter, didn't work, so we'll get a dime. So we'll do this. There is a hole here. You just put the dime in here, and then you go like this to open it. You see? We opened it. Be very careful. Keep everything as is. Okay? And know where it was before you put it back. Now we're going to take this like that. Alright. This was here. So we put it where it was. Okay, and that one too. These are the one tell you what to do. Right there. I don't want to lose them, so I'll show you. That's like that. And then the long one, this one goes back here. If I open it very easy or slowly, probably that is not gonna happen, but it happened. I'm just doing that in front of you for the first time. Okay, so we leave that as is. And this one right here. So where is the battery? I think we have to open this one to get the battery from the inside. So we have tools, like computer tools. I'm going to use one of them to open it and see. There you go. It's very fragile and I don't want to ruin it, so I'm taking it easy. Here you go. You heard it pop. Here you go. We open this like that. And here's the battery. If you don't know which battery you buy, open the key first, look at the battery, which one you buy, and then go buy it. As for me, I looked it up. I'm going to bring this up here, if you can see it. This is the number for the battery that you should buy. But I asked and I got this one. It's the same. The Energizer, it's the same. So it's right here. So we're gonna open it. Here's the battery, and it has a piece of paper. You have to remove it before you change it. So this is a new one. This one, it says CR 2017, if you can see it. Okay, can you see that very clearly? It is CR 2016, and it says 3 volts Energizer and made in Japan. Okay, and it says plus here, so the minus on the other side, I guess. And now this is the one that we have. we're gonna remove the battery. So we're gonna get one of the tools, this one, and if you have like a knife or something that you can remove it with, that would be great too. But we just want to take this battery out like that. I just want to take the battery out, not the whole thing. Here you go. Well, you can make it very hard so you cannot even take it out, but we'll do it. Here you go. Got it out. So that's the old one right there. All right, and we're gonna remove it and put the new one. Before I put the new one, I have to remove that piece of paper to protect the battery. Okay, and then we flip it. This is the plus side on top. Put it here. You hear? You heard it click? Now we cover it with this. Now we're going to put everything back. See how easy that was? It was not hard at all. We clean it like that. And then now we're going to put the key. It was like this way. Here. And then we put the key back like that. And then we're done. Now let's try it. It works. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. I hope you try it. Thank you for stopping by. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.